Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to enable desktop sharing hub in Google Chrome. So let's get started. Open Chrome and then type desktop Google Chrome Canary. As you can see here, click on it. Then tap on the first search list. Now download Chrome Canary. As I've already downloaded it. Download and install on your Chrome. Then after installing it on your Chrome, go to next tab. Then type Chrome. Flex and press enter. Then type in the search desktop sharing. Desktop sharing. As you can see here, desktop sharing, enable taking a screenshot from desktop sharing. Go to here and change to enabled. Then you have to relaunch it and click on relaunch. And that's it, you have successfully installed Google Chrome Canary on your Google Chrome. So this is how you can enable desktop sharing hub on your Google Chrome browser. So I hope you like this guide and don't forget to like and subscribe the video. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And also, you after installing Chrome Canary, you can easily share the link through QR codes or through keyboard. It's a very awesome tool which will help you in the future projects. So I will see you in the next video. Take care guys.